Okay, to change the answers in forms, just go to wherever you have all the forms and click in the one you want to change. So I have this answer marked as correct, but literally all you do is click it and you can change it. So if I don't want apt as the correct answer, I can just click into familiar. And then all you do is click out of it. Of course, my computer's freezing. Okay, so then all you do is click out of it and it's fixed. And you can just share the new link and they should either be able to retake it. I don't know. Let's see if it changed anybody's responses. Okay, so they don't even need to retake it. It'll just automatically change their response score. So hopefully that helps. So just go into whatever question you want to change, click it. If you want to change it to this one, all you do is click the correct answer, click out, and that's it. And it should change the responses. So yep, now they're back to being correct. And that's it. The kids don't have to do anything.